What up, everyone? I've got a task for you. Let's Google fun facts about Google. Of course, I'm just kidding, but the topic of today has been set because we will catch our eye on the giant search engine, the company which leads the internet web services, the company that has got programs which we all use. Let's see 5 fun facts about Google. Google was established by Larry Page and Sergey Brin and launched back in 1998 in California. The company started to build up their program from a garage, which was actually at first a research, as a possible search engine which can make you go to different websites, see pictures and other files. At this point, Google is owned by Alphabet Inc. and its CEO is Sundar Pichai. As for now, it is one of the most valuable brands and also it's worth around $400 million. Moreover, its user base is enormous and it has an average rate of 3.5 billion searches, which means actually nearly half of the Earth population equals the amount of search in Google. Google has more than 3 billion websites linked to it, which from 16 to 20% has never been searched. Moreover, if you like to print, it would equal the length of 209 kilometers long road, which nearly equals the road from Amsterdam to Brussels. Imagine that being covered with links to different websites of Google. Moreover, the search engine has one of the biggest influence of using the internet, as in 2016 it stopped working for 5 minutes and the internet usage was decreased by 40%. The homepage of it's available in 8 languages, which shows how international it is. Its income is coming from advertisement mostly, just like in 2014 when 89% of the profit of Google was coming from ads. But now, let's see, not advertisement, but stunning facts about Google. Google was originally named as Backrub, which name it ran for over a year back in the times when its servers were running on Stanford University servers. However, after this, in September in 1997, it got its permanent name, Google. A lot of people wondered what if it was a misspelling of Google, but it wasn't. It was meant to be a play with this mathematical expression. This number in math, the numeral 1 followed by 100 zeros, which represents the amount of websites and information of Google's search and how the amount of data is infinite on Google. As crazy as it seems to be, the first computer which on Google or the ancestor of Google was running was actually made up of Lego, like megabricks. If you remember, I previously mentioned how Google started as a garage company, and it was because the scientists were poor, especially as college students, and so they tried to cut the budget where it was possible. I think we can say it's worth it. When Google bought YouTube, they didn't really think much, they more like jumped straight into it, but they wanted to make the deal as informal as possible and the least noticeable possible, so they made a deal with the leaders of YouTube at Denny's in Palo Alto, California, Mozzarella. They shook hands and Google doled out $1.65 billion. In 2006, Google decided to give Mountain View from the headquarters in order to make the workers even more comfortable and providing conveniences, something like Google has been working on ever since. In the same year, Google launched a citywide Wi-Fi. In 2007, Google raised this to the next level by introducing G-bikes to its workers. As for now, more than 1,000 Googlers ride primarily colored basket-equipped bikes. Google's software and AI engine has been known as one of the best all around the world, and Google puts a grand amount of effort in improving the site's and language skills. It uses CAPTCHA to teach computers how to read text. With 200,000 million CAPTCHAs solved every day, Google learns how to identify words which are actually scanned from books, even if they are wrapped. Which wraps up this video. If you liked it, then be sure to subscribe and hit us a like. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and a share would be amazing, guys. See ya after the blackout.